Hello, in front of me I've got VIVO X80 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's go to Google app. Tap button in the top right corner. Go to settings and enter Google Assistant. Go to voice match and enable this function. Now let's try it out. Hey Google. Okay Google. Sometimes you have to retrain your voice model. Okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Tap finish and let's try it out again. Hey Google. Now that we are sure it's working, let's go back. Enter lock screen and make sure that this function is enabled. Now we can lock the screen and simply say, hey Google, what's the weather like tomorrow?
It'll be sunny, with a high of 33 and a low of 16.
And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.